What's up, guys? So a few weeks ago my back window got broken out. This one. This is actually the donor one. So hey, get these windows out. As you can see, I already got it out. You have to take this piece off here. Just use a pick tool. Come in right here, pop that out. This, work it back, turn, it comes out. And then you got to fold the rubber from the window back flat. Then use your pick tool in the corner and slowly move the window that way. It will eventually come out. And installation will be the reverse of that. There you go, the back window is replaced. Did the reverse installation. Good to go. Alright guys, so here we go. You want to do the blower motor there. You need to remove your overflow bottle, which is a 10 right there. Those are 7s all the way around. Remove and install the same way you took it apart. I used a 1/4 inch drive ratchet with a deep socket to make everything clear. And I just replaced my wiper motor with a good used one. You're going to end up using 1, 2, 3. There's 3 10s. And then a 13 holds the arm on. Not really hard. Then you have the electrical plug right there. Everything's back to operational again. Alright, guys.